Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing, install, and styling of this full 13 by 6 30-inch wig from Ashimary Hair. Ashimary Hair actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, and Ashimary just always gives. Like, they come through with the lace, the hair quality, like I love it. It is absolutely eating. And then it's a full 13 by 6 you all are gonna see. You can do cute little hairstyles, but we are really going to get into this video. So before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and hop into this video and unbox this wig. Let's get into it, you guys. I am pretty excited. Ashimary always comes with it. And one thing about them, well, you'll see in a little bit, but their lace gives. It really gives, you guys. So we're gonna get into it though. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay guys, so here is the box. It comes with one of those fancy dancy headbands so you can melt your lace when you apply this wig. So let's take this off and let's see what we got in the box. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, yeah, this lace is already eating. I can see it. It is eating. We're gonna put the wig to the side for now, but let's see what all we got in here. So we have some lashes, a wig cap, bam, 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 an HD wig cap at that, and they actually put their branding on it. Like, okay, branding. This is actually some wig tape, you guys. I need to start using this. I want to see what it's like to use the wig tape, but it comes with wig tape. Let me know if you all have ever used the wig tape before, because that is very interesting. Comes with a razor so you can cut your lace. Like, I love how wigs come with everything you need now. You don't need to make any stops to the beauty supply or anything. Like, I love that. Bam, you got your razor. Another headband. Bam, bam, bam. An edge brush. So you can lay them edges, girl. And let's see what we got in here. What is this? Ooh, this is a cute bonnet. We got a bonnet, you guys. This one is cute. And this one is actually seems super secure. So if you see the bonnet I have on right now, like, you see it's just kind of ruffled at the ends. This one has that elastic band on it, and this thing don't seem like it's playing at all. It is not bulging at all, you guys. But let's look at this wig now. Let me put on this bonnet real quick. Yeah, I feel like this bonnet is not gonna slip off your head at night. Like, my bonnets are always, I've seen my bonnet be all the way across the room when I woke up. So this bonnet seems super secure. But let's look at this wig, honey. This is a 30-inch. So let's get into it. As you can see, there's the 30 on it. Let's look at this wig. Okay, here is the wig, you guys. It is super pretty. Look at that hair. It's super thick, super pretty. Like, the hair is really eating. Look at all that, okay. And the ends are thick. The hair is just super duper flowy, like, bam, bam, bam. This is gorgeous, you guys. I'm obsessed. I don't think you understand. I am obsessed. It looks so, so good. Look at that. The hair is just gorgeous, gorgeous. Silky, 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 silky. And this is a 13 by 6. So let's get into the lace. So here's how the wig looks right now. It is slightly pre-plucked. Like, I do kind of like this plucking style. It is pre-plucked, but let's take this off of this white thing. Let's take it off. One thing I love about Ashimary is what I was telling you all. You get a full 13 by 6. Companies do not do that anymore. This is super rare. So you get all 6 inches of parting space going back and to the sides. Like, I love it, love it, love it. So much parting space. So now that means you can do super cute little updos like I love to do nowadays. Like, I love it. So yeah, you get all the parting space. And it comes with an elastic band, so this wig is super duper secure. we're going to go ahead and install this wig, and then we're going to do a super cute updo because this is a 13x6, so I might as well do something cute. And of course, it has a tag in the back where it gives you hair care tips and all of that. So yeah, but we're gonna take this off and let's go ahead and get to installing this wig because I am super excited. I think I wanna do 2 pigtails, but also because this is a 13x6, you can do cute little cornrows at the top, which I love that look too. I think that looks really cute. So the first thing I'm gonna do is spray a little bit of lace tint on this lace to get it a little closer to my skin tone. Very, very pretty, like, dang. Let me show y'all how long this wig is on me. This is really, really cute. Like, yeah, this wig is really, really long and beautiful. And I'm 5'7", and it does touch like the middle of my butt at that, so that is great. I will do like a little plucking, just a little bit of plucking. Let's pluck the wig just a little bit. Get the hairline a little thinner. Nothing too crazy, you guys. I'm literally doing this while it's on my head. Okay, I'm gonna do things a little differently. I'm going to cut off this excess lace first. Like, this hair looks so pretty, guys. It's so, so long. Like, the 30 inches is 30 inching, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna use the scissors to start off the lace, and then I'm gonna switch to the razor, of course. So, I was like, hold on, why did I decide to use scissors for this? But just for this part, I'm gonna use my scissors. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the razor. Okay guys, so I just cut off the lace. We are going to go ahead and glue this sucker down. I'm going to actually use my lace spray this time. We're gonna do 3 layers. We also need to free the ears. We need to free the ears so we can do a cute little behind the ear type thing. So we're gonna cut a little. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and glue this wig down with a little lace spray. We're gonna do 3 layers. So that's layer 1. Okay, we're gonna do layer 2 now. Okay, and lastly, we're going to do layer 3. Like, this is a super quick and easy install. Okay. Okay guys, so now we are going to go ahead and melt the lace. We're going to go ahead and use this handy dandy headband. That's a tongue twister. And tie the lace down for a little bit. Maybe we can work on styling this wig while we have it tied down. Okay guys, so while our lace is melting, we can go ahead and work on this hairstyle. I do want like 2 pretty little pigtails, I think. I think that will just eat. So like, look at all that parting space. I'm obsessed. It's very rare you get this much parting space. I am just so, so happy about this full 13x6. Oh. Cute, cute, cute. So let's go ahead. So I do want 2 little strands out front. So let's pull these strands out. And then we're gonna put these pigtails in this wig. We're also gonna add a little part over here. Like, look at that. Ah! So cute. Actually being able to do a full part all the way through the wig is just insane. I love it. I am not used to this. Okay guys, I've been struggling with my pigtails because of my nails. Like, this took me way too long, so I did it off camera. But let's go ahead and take this headband off and see what we're working with here. Okay, the lace is slayed, honey. It is slayed. It is eating. The hair is eating right now, period. Like, very, very cute. So let's add a little bit of makeup to the part. Like, this is cute. Oh, this is like so cutesy. It's giving Spice Girls. It's definitely giving Spice Girls. Spice Girls meets Harley Quinn. But yeah, I love how this hairline is looking too. I'm so glad I did not over pluck it and I just kind of chilled. I'm so happy about that. As you all could see, I really did not do too much plucking to this wig whatsoever. Oh my goodness, and it is so long for 30 inches. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.